I'm going to show you how you can see all your comments or the posts you have commented on Instagram. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is open Instagram and go to your account right here at the bottom right. Then go at the top right, you will see this icon, so click right there and you will see your activity. So if you click there, you can see your interactions. So right here, you can see your likes, your comments and more. And if I open this field, you can see all your comments right here. In my case, I only have one. So if I go to another post and leave another comment, for example, right here, a random post, I can go back to this category and you will see how this is updated, and here you can see all your comments. You can filter them by newest or oldest. You can also filter by date. You can filter by authors, so you can see the comments you have done on a specific account or specific usernames, and you can also see the comments shared to Facebook. So right here you can also select the comments and delete them, and that's it. That's all you can do, and that's how easy you can see your comments on Instagram. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.